The next award is for excellence in manufacturing. Now, this company started as a small industry 20 years back under Shri Pramod Kumar. In spite of being from a non-engineering background, he established an engineering company which builds premium quality of HDPE, MDPE, pipe and fittings, which is well accepted in all government of Har Ghar Jal projects. Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming Shri Pramod Kumar on behalf of Laxmi Engitech Products par excellence. Let's have a huge round of applause for Laxmi Engitech and Shri Pramod Kumar. Sir, few words.